Similar online tutorial. Now before us is this circle geometry question, and it shows that if AOD is the diameter and O is the center of the circle, which is this, find the value of X, which is this. Okay, now for us to dive into this question, we need to understand one or two things. Now for us to get the value of X, it's very important that we find this angle here, since we are told that from here to here is the diameter of circle, which tells also that it's a straight line. So we need to find a particular angle here that tends to complement, that supplements X, that will give us what, 180, but we don't have. Okay, all right, then I thought of something. Let us generate another angle at the circumference here. Okay, let us name this one Q, and let us put this one here A, and let us make this one B. Okay, now for us to get this, we need to find A. Why? Because there's a rule in circle geometry that says that angle at the center equals twice angle at the circumference. So for us, since B is at the center and A is at the circumference that corresponds to B, so we need to find this A, which is at the circumference. However, for us to find A, there's also a law in circle geometry that says that opposite angle in a cyclic quadrilateral is supplementary, which is also equals to 180. And if you look at A, Q, C, and B, it is quadrilateral and inscribed in a circle, so it is a cyclic quadrilateral. So which implies that 132 plus A here is what, supplementary, which will give us what, 180. So we can start by saying that A plus 132 equals 180 degrees. Okay, now subtract 132 from both sides. We will end up having that A equals 180 minus 132. This will give us 8 and 4. Okay, so we have 48. So A here equals what, 48 degrees. Now that we've gotten the value of A, which is at the circumference, so which also correspond to B, which is at the center, now we can now introduce this law that says that angle at the point equals 2 times angle at the circumference. So we can now say B, which is at the point, is 2 times angle at the circumference. That will be 48. So here B will now give us 96 degree. Now at this point, now we can now say this is what, 96 degree. Now take note that AOB is the diameter, which is also what, a straight line. So which also implies that 96 plus X is what, supplementary, which is it ought to give us 180. So here we can say X plus 96 equals 180. Then subtracting 96 from both sides, we have 180 minus 96. So this is 4, this is 7. Here we have, so our X equals 84 degrees. Alright, if you love what I've just done, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and ensure you click on the picture button to be notified of all my videos in physics and mathematics. Thank you and God bless you.